whispering stories in silent light. Listen, eyes of fire, soul untamed, rising high, she calls my name. She's the dawn, she's the spark, glowing bright in endless dark. Cosmic winds weave through her hair, destiny flows